Hello. So I'm just gonna play Evade. I know I didn't get answers for it yet, but like I'm just gonna play. I will not edit these footages of me playing Roblox. Need some bloopers. I'm tired, like actually. Yeah, Wait. Roll? Roll call? Oh no. Yo, why don't you have carry on? Yeah. Revive me, actually, revive me. No, you're gonna die. So, I'm gonna try doing the emo like dash. Moon jump. Woo! Whoa. Oh, shut up. Please, I'm begging you. Okay. Hello, Shadow. So, what do I talk about? Do I talk about nothing or what? No, shut up, please. I have siblings to take care of. Please shut up. No, please shut up, please shut up, please. Oh, I know you're Yo, Shadow, why are you still targeting me? What? Elixir. Help. Yo. No. Coca-Cola. Held my breath. Oh. Moon jump's so good because like shut up, child. No, chill guy. wanna be an explorer. I wanna be an explorer. No. No. Play your next step. Okay. Wow. Chose this map for us. Jumps are so small. Yo, he tried to rape me. He's a pedophile. What? Yo, girly. Hello, girly. Hello, girly. I'm as black as nights. Why are your legs so long? Whoa. I'm gonna just fall off this roof for a sec. Wait a sec, I'm gonna fall off this roof. Bang. Whoa. Bang. What the fuck? I'm gonna die. Okay. Yeah. Skill issue. Yo. Timer. Grapple hook. Modify. Change. This backpack? Don't know. Ooh, that's good. First eye. I'm gonna do piggyback. Okay, now. Load out, modify items. Yeah, so skins. Right. Skins first. Red goggles, blue radar. None. Rockets. That's it, none. Grapple hook, none. Exit. Yeah, targeting. Yo, why can't I pick you up? Yeah. Dead. Dead shit.